Stop what you're doing and see these facts about the space you didn't know existed. Our Milky Way galaxy alone contains over 100 billion stars, enough to fill a city so large it defies imagination. The largest known star, UY Scuti, is a red supergiant so massive it could swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter whole. At the heart of every galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, millions to billions of times the mass of our Sun. Sagittarius A, the Milky Way's central black hole, weighs as much as 4 million suns compressed into a single point. If you fell into a black hole, time would stretch and warp until you never existed again. Yet from the outside, you'd freeze in time. Our universe is about 13.8 billion years old, but because of cosmic expansion, the most distant light we see traveled for 13.4 billion years. Despite that, those galaxies are now almost 46 billion light-years away, thanks to accelerating expansion. Dark energy makes up roughly 68% of the universe, driving galaxies apart at an ever-increasing rate. Dark matter comprises about 27% of everything in existence, yet we still have no idea what it really is, only how it behaves. The remaining 5% of the cosmos is normal matter, everything we see, feel, and measure with telescopes. Neutron stars are cosmic zombies, crushed cores of exploded stars so dense that a teaspoonful would weigh 1 billion tons. A neutron star spins at up to 700 times per second. Its magnetic fields tear the surrounding space into exotic firestorms. When two neutron stars collide, they create heavy elements like gold and platinum and unleash gravitational waves that ripple through space-time. Those ripples were detected on Earth in 2015, confirming Einstein's century-old prediction and opening a brand new way to watch the universe. Gravitational waves travel at the speed of light, but they're so subtle they change distances by less than the width of an atom. The cosmic microwave background is the afterglow of the Big Bang, bathing the universe in a faint microwave signal still detectable today. That signal is perfectly uniform to 1 part in 100,000, an unbelievable cosmic coincidence that puzzles scientists. Our solar system sits in the Orion arm of the Milky Way, a spiral stretch of stars, gas clouds, and cosmic dust. Yet we can't see the galaxy's shape from inside it. The Sun orbits the center of the galaxy at a blistering speed of 514,000 tatanetto, completing one revolution every 225 million years. In the time since Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago, the Sun has already circled the galaxy nearly 20 times. Mercury, the smallest planet, has virtually no atmosphere, causing daytime temperatures to reach 800 degrees and plummet to 290 degrees at night. Venus, Earth's evil twin, spins backward so slowly that a single Venusian day lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its year of 225 days. Earth uniquely hosts liquid water, but Europa, a moon of Jupiter, hides a subsurface ocean twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. That ocean is kept liquid by tidal heating. Europa flexes like a rubber ball as it orbits Jupiter, generating internal heat. Under its ice crust, Europa could harbor simple life forms, possibly even complex creatures in underwater vents. Mars once had rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. But a global magnetic field vanished, letting solar wind evaporate its atmosphere into space. Today, Mars's atmosphere is so thin that liquid water can't survive on the surface, yet seasonal methane spikes suggest active geological or microbial processes. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is the only object in the solar system besides Earth with stable surface lakes, made of liquid methane and ethane. Its orange haze and hydrocarbon rain create a bizarre prebiotic chemistry that might resemble early Earth conditions. On Neptune, supersonic winds blow at 200 mph, faster than any hurricane on Earth, despite Neptune receiving just 1% of the sunlight Earth does. Neptune's great dark spot is a giant storm system larger than Earth, churning fiercely in its upper atmosphere. Uranus is essentially rolling around the Sun on its side, tipped at a 98-degree angle, possibly the result of a massive collision billions of years ago. Pluto, now a dwarf planet, hosts a heart-shaped glacier made of nitrogen ice, flowing like a slow-motion river over eons. Its thin atmosphere freezes and falls to the surface as Pluto moves away from the Sun, then sublimates again when it returns. Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, has mysterious bright spots that are salt deposits left behind by briny water erupting from its interior. In 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope peered deeper into the cosmos than ever before, capturing galaxies as they appeared 13.5 billion years ago. Webb's infrared vision reveals the universe's first galaxies, forming just 200 million years after the Big Bang, effectively a cosmic fossil record. Exoplanets are everywhere. Over 5,000 confirmed worlds orbit stars beyond our Sun, with more found every day. The TRAPPIST-1 system alone hosts 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which sit in the star's habitable zone where liquid water could exist. Some exoplanets rain glass sideways in 4,500 degressive winds. Others might be diamond worlds, with carbon crystallized under intense pressure. The bizarre hot Jupiter WASP-12b is so close to its star, it's being ripped apart, losing mass at a rate equivalent to the mass of Earth every 10 million years. Rogue planets, planets drifting alone through interstellar space, outnumber those bound to stars, making a lonely wilderness galaxy wide. Our Sun's magnetic field flips every 11 years, but in rare solar maxima, it flips back and forth multiple times, causing extreme solar storms. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can warp Earth's magnetosphere, producing dazzling auroras and disrupting satellites and power grids. In 1859, the Carrington event blasted Earth with a massive solar storm. Had it occurred today, it would fry our entire electrical grid. Gamma-ray bursts are the universe's deadliest explosions, releasing more energy in seconds than the Sun will emit over its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. One jar B aimed directly at Earth could strip our ozone layer in minutes, leaving the planet exposed to lethal radiation. Most stars are not solitary like our Sun. In fact, 2/3 are part of binary or multiple star systems, dancing gravitationally around one another. A star in a close binary can steal material from its companion, creating brilliant novae and even supernovae when it accumulates too much mass. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, will explode as a supernova within the next 100,000 years, sooner than literally any other star nearby. When it does, its remnant will outshine the full moon in our sky, visible in daylight for weeks. The hottest planet known, Kelt 9b, has a temperature of 7,800 degrees, hotter than most stars, and its atmosphere glows in ultraviolet light. Brown dwarfs are failed stars that lack enough mass to ignite hydrogen fusion. They glow faintly in infrared, hovering between planet and star. Free-floating brown dwarfs can cool to the temperature of the human body, making them invisible to visible light telescopes. Titan's haze-shrouded skies make solar panels almost useless. Future explorers would rely on nuclear or hydrocarbon-fueled reactors. The Oort cloud is a donut-shaped shell of trillions of icy bodies, extending nearly a light-year from the Sun. So distant, they feel the Sun's gravity only faintly. Occasionally, an Oort cloud object gets kicked toward the inner solar system as a long-period comet, lighting up our skies after millennia of dormancy. Halley's Comet appears every 76 years, meaning your great-great-grandchildren could still see it when it returns near the end of this century. Saturn's rings are mostly water ice, but they're shockingly young, perhaps only 100 million years old, formed after the dinosaurs went extinct. Those rings will fade away in about 100 million years as ice particles erode and rain down onto Saturn's clouds. Jupiter's moon, Io, is the most volcanic body in the solar system, with over 400 active volcanoes erupting sulfurous plumes hundreds of kilometers high. Its intense volcanism is powered by tidal heating from Jupiter's gravity and gravitational tugs from fellow moons Europa and Ganymede. Enceladus, a small moon of Saturn, jets icy plumes into space, creating a vast invisible ring around Saturn and hinting at an underground ocean. In 2021, scientists discovered water vapor plumes on Europa, reaching 125 miles high, potential sampling targets for future missions to detect life. The SpaceX Starship promises to revolutionize space travel with reusable rockets capable of carrying over 100 tons to orbit, making Mars colonization plausible. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, towering 22-kilometer high, 3 times Mount Everest's height. A day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days, while a year is only 88 days, meaning 2 Mercurian days pass in the time it orbits the Sun once. The James Webb Telescope can see through cosmic dust, revealing stars forming in the heart of distant galaxies for the first time. Voyager 1 and 2 are now exploring interstellar space, sending data back from beyond our solar boundary more than 40 years after launch. Those probes carry golden records with Earth's music and greetings, cosmic messages in a bottle drifting forever in the void. The more we learn about space, the more we realize we've barely scratched the surface of the universe's endless mysteries.